stormy weather. Been very stormy around here for probably 10 days, I'd say.
Oh, we have plenty of. Now we're gonna harvest, I think, plenty today of this cucumber. We have a bunch today. Look, oh, plenty. Then that other one there. We have also in here tiny mani katong bano. Plenty. Wow. We did not really bring my malagay.
So I'm back at the cucumber garden, and we have a lot more cucumbers right now. It looks like there's enough to do a for real batch of cucumber pickles, but of course we're gonna need to save some of these cucumbers in order to make cucumber seeds, and it looks like a lot of the plants are gone. Belen says that a lot of plants have been killed by insects. 12 plants left, and the rest are gone. And at one point there were almost 30 plants. So we're gonna have to be careful, because at least some of these cucumbers, we need to save the seeds. So they're harvesting the cucumbers. Yeah, it's okay. I forgot if I mentioned it or not, but it's been about 6 days since I've been here. So we have a lot of cucumbers, really. It's enough to do at least one half decent batch of cucumbers. Not a lot, but at least some.
This one, is it okay? This size here.
Might as well.
No, you can put now in a one big.
So here's what we have, and we're leaving a couple of them to fully mature so that we can get seeds. So we've got about 9 or 10 cucumbers. I have no idea how much they weigh, but it's really a shame that a lot of these plants are no longer here. I kind of think that the reason isn't because of insects, even though Belen says it is. I think that the soil here is weak. I think it needs to be amended, because these plants really should be a lot more lush than they are. That's my opinion. So maybe next time I try, I can put some kind of fertilizer in this soil, because I think this soil is overworked. That's just what I think.